Have you ever stopped to wonder, what if your system was generating income for you while you slept? People often say that to make it online, you need an Ivy League degree, high-level connections, or a massive upfront investment. I'm here to tell you, that's yesterday's news. In 2026, your most valuable asset isn't a diploma. It's your smartphone and your internet connection. Let's try a quick exercise. In the last hour, how many times did you pick up your phone? And in that same hour, how much money did you actually make? If the answer is 0, then you're leaving money on the table. Be honest, how many times have you scrolled through social media, watching others succeed and thought, I wish that were me? We often feel stuck because we think the path is hidden. People ask me all the time, where do I even start? Today, I'm showing you the way. The truth is, successful entrepreneurs aren't necessarily smarter than you, they're just using tools you haven't mastered yet. AI, artificial intelligence, isn't just a trend, it's a paradigm shift. Many people are afraid of AI, worrying that it will take their jobs. But listen closely, AI won't replace you, but a person using AI will. Think of AI not as a threat, but as your most loyal assistant, one that never sleeps and never gets tired. Imagine having 10 dedicated employees working 24/7 without a single salary check. That is exactly what AI provides. It writes your copy, designs your visuals, and manages customer interactions for your online store while you focus on the big picture. In the past, we were limited by our local economy, but today, you can be sitting in a small town anywhere in the world and working with high-ticket clients in New York or London. The internet removed the borders and AI has closed the skill gap. If you aren't a native English speaker, AI handles the communication. If you aren't a graphic designer, AI handles the aesthetics. This is what we call scalability. In a traditional 9-to-5, you trade time for money. But with the AI hustle, you build a system once and it runs on autopilot. You can take one single idea and turn it into thousands of pieces of content. You might get exhausted, but your AI system never does. I once saw someone start with 0. No degree, no network, no safety net. Just a laptop and a decision to try. For the first 15 days, absolutely nothing happened. Doubt started to creep in. It felt like just another get-rich-quick knit. But they didn't quit. They stayed consistent, learning exactly how to prompt the AI to get professional results. Then, on day 30, that first notification hit their account. It wasn't just about the money. It was the realization that this wasn't luck. It was a system. That moment changed everything. They weren't tied to an office or a boss anymore. They were free. And that same system is available to you right now. Growth never happens within your comfort zone. The winning team is always the one that takes action while others are still analyzing. You have 2 choices today. Keep following the same old routine and wondering why things haven't changed, or ride this new wave of innovation. Success doesn't wait for the perfect moment. It comes when you decide to start. If you're ready to write your next chapter, type AI Hustle in the comments. Save this video and share it with the friends you want to see win alongside you. Because remember, AI plus skill plus action equals financial freedom. I'm Hina, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye!